वेलकम बैक फ्रॉम द ब्रेक। हमारे साथ रहने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया ऑन स्पोर्ट्स जोन। अब हम जाएंगे लाहौर, जहां पे हमारी नुमाइंदा हिना सईद स्टैंडिंग बाय अ टर्किश फीमेल रैली ड्राइवर। चलते हैं लाहौर और मालूम करते हैं कि हाउ इज हर एक्सपीरियंस बीन एज अ रैली ड्राइवर, स्पेशली बीइंग अ फीमेल सो फार।
थैंक यू अल्तमिश। मैं हूँ हिना सईद और मैं लाहौर में आपको लाई हूँ एक ड्रैग रेस में। यहाँ पे हम आपको आज मिलवाएंगे एक टर्किश फीमेल रैली ड्राइवर से। जैसे कि आप मेरे पीछे सुन सकते हैं कितना शोर और कितना एक्शन है। हम ना सिर्फ बर्जू शिनखाया से आपको मिलवाएंगे, उनकी बातें सुनवाएंगे, बल्कि उनको यहाँ पे एक्शन में भी दिखाएंगे। तो आइए देखते हैं बर्जू को इस ट्रैक रेस पे। साथ हैं बर्जू शिनखाया। उनसे पूछते हैं कि उन्होंने अपने स्पोर्ट्स का ये सफर कब और कैसे शुरू किया। Tell us, how did you start all this? When did you jump into this sports?
I fell in love with this sport when I was 12 years old. I went to see a rally as an outsider, but I could only get in the steering wheel of a rally car when I was 24, and now it's been 6 years.
What was the most frightening moment for you?
The most frightening moment, I think, was in 2010. We had a big accident. We went off quite fast in Belgium in one of the rounds of the Intercontinental Rally Challenge, but it was okay. We were not damaged. We took the necessary measures, the security measures, which are very important in the sport, so nothing happened.
What's the most exciting thing about the sports that you perform?
I think it's many things that's exciting. One of it is its teamwork. It seems like it's only the driver, but in rally it's as important as the driver, the co-driver, which is also another girl. She's not with me now. But together, like, we have to be in synchronization all the time. We need to be in harmony. I need to listen to her. If she makes a mistake or if I make a mistake, like, it could result in an accident. So we have to both be very careful and trust in each other. And also, we are fighting against nature with a rally car. So when we go there, we don't know the weather conditions. It can change. It can be raining. You can have big stones on the ground where they were not there when you were practicing. So all these kinds of things. It's a huge box of challenges, and I love challenges.
How do people respond to a female rally driver?
Actually, they support. Like, in the beginning when we started, before we showed that we were also successful, we could also race against men. They were a little bit, like, some people were really, like, not nice. But afterwards, when they saw that we were there really because we wanted to fight, I don't feel like a woman once I get inside the car. Then I just lose everything. I just think about driving and being successful. I think when they saw that, then they started being really supportive.
What are your successes and failures in this field?
The successes, I think we've come a long way. In the beginning, we were driving a 150 horsepower car. We didn't have any international sponsors. We were only racing in Turkey. And within 3 years, now we are racing on the top level with the sponsorship of Red Bull and Peugeot Sport Turkey, and with the top car with 300 horsepower and 4-wheel drive. And we are actually getting in the top 10 among 50, 60, 70 drivers in the world and against men. So I think that's really a long way we have come. But still, we want to go on the podium. We've been on the podium in our class and in the local rallies and also sometimes in the World Championship with a weaker car. But now we want to go for the top classification podium in an international championship. So that's going to be really fighting hard.
What titles have you won?
We won Turkish Ladies Championship for 5 years in a row. Ladies Championship is only that sometimes when in some races there's more than one lady driver participating, and then they give a special prize for the best lady performance. But to me, I mean, that's a title, but that's not very important. The most difficult one was in 2008. We became second in the World Championship in the sub-category with the Fiesta Trophy. And we won the Fiesta Trophy at the same year in Class 3 in Turkey. In 2009, we became Turkish Group A champion, also among guys. And in 2010, we were the first lady coins ever in the history of IRC to score points by becoming 7th, by being in the top 8. So I think these.
How do you feel coming to Pakistan, and how have the Pakistani people responded to you?
So, मैं पाकिस्तान आकी होश हूँ. That sounds something. I'm very happy.
Very interesting.
I'm very happy here. Really, I think between Turkey and Pakistan, there's a beautiful friendship that's been going on for years. And whenever there's problems, we help each other. And Even though from outside, sometimes people are scared of Pakistan, I don't think it's to be scared of. There's problems going on everywhere in the world, and I really love your country. It's beautiful, especially people, food, and just the colorful clothes, everything. It's really beautiful, and I would love to come back.
What advice would you like to give to girls who want to come into this field?
I would like to give, they should really come in if they're ready to fight, and they should fully concentrate on the sport. If they make any mistakes, or if they're like, they start talking, like, they should socialize, of course, it's a part of this sport, but they shouldn't be there for socializing. This sport, really, you need to fight, and you need to think about only driving. You can live still a disciplined and nice life, but be also a sports person.
Right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
जितना मुझे मजा आया, यकीनन आप लोगों को भी उसका कोई 10%, 20% मजा तो आया होगा। हमने यहाँ पे ट्रैक पे बहुत सारे स्टंट्स देखे, एक्शन देखा, लोगों से बात की, और बुर्जू शिटनकाया जो 10 दिन के टूर पे आई हुई है पाकिस्तान, उनसे भी आपकी बात करवाई। मेरी तरफ से अब इतना ही। अल्तमश, बैक टू यू इन कराची।
ओके व्यूअर्स, ये थी हमारी इस हफ्ते की पेशकश ऑन स्पोर्ट्स जोन। उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आई होगी। टू ईमेल अस विद योर फीडबैक ऑन sportszone@dawnnews.tv। अगले हफ्ते तक के लिए मुझे, अल्तमश चीवा और हमारी पूरी स्पोर्ट्स जोन की टीम को दीजिएगा इजाजत। इंशाल्लाह आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी। टेक वेरी गुड केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ। खुदा हाफिज।